Hey guys, this is my unboxing video from bladeplay.com. This is my balisong. Yeah. Took about 5 days to get here. Pretty excited. Spyderco. We have paperwork, order numbers, order. Then we have, just a little bag with bubble wrap. Not the best packing, but here's a butterfly knife itself, or a balisong, whatever. This little box comes in this pretty nice string bag. I mean, it kind of feels cheap, but still pretty good. I mean, okay, now we have the knife itself. Nice and solid. Yeah, it's pretty good actually. Comes okay, it's a little loose, but it's easy for flipping. Kind of heavy actually. It's like pretty heavy actually. It has a lot of weight in it. But the weird thing about this is the safe handle is with the latch. Usually it's like that. That's the bite handle. It's the safe handle, but it's reversed. I don't know why, but it's not a big deal. I got used to it pretty quick. Yeah, that's it. I'll do a flipping video pretty soon, and that's all.